Assalamu alaikum, this is your brother Ahmed from Task Force GLM. Alhamdulillah, we arrived here in Jalalabad where the food distribution is going to take place, and these are the food parcels, the food provisions which we promised you and which we each time asked you to donate for. So and this is what these vulnerable people, these people who are really desperate and suffering, this is what they get. Come, let me show you what they get. So this is oil for cooking. So they get a smaller bottle and a bigger bottle as well, which is totally 6 liters of oil. And then here they get a big bag of flour of 50 kg in here and another 10 kg in here. So you get 60 kg of flour, which lasts them really long time. Yeah, and then here they get a big sack of rice, mashallah, a big sack of rice as well. That's included in the food pack as well. And then here they have a big sack of lentils. As you know, lentils are really important and rich in protein. And here they get a big bag of sugar as well. And this sugar, mashallah, is also included. Yeah, and obviously some salt. Salt is also included. And this is the food pack which we are going to distribute to those beautiful people which are really in dire need. They need your support and my support. Come on, let's help them. We don't let them down. These are our brothers, our sisters. They need us now more than ever before. Please come and donate. Please, as you can see, all these food distributions. People are waiting here. They're in the queue. They're getting registered. Please come and donate. Donate today. We are here on the ground. We made all the effort, came up to here to show you what's going to be included in the packs. As you can see, there are plenty of packs, and more packs are going to be gathered together. As you know, it's such a big weight. There are such big packs that they can't lift it on their own, right? And they need these strong young men with a wheelbarrow to lift it and to transport it. Further down, as you can see, there's a long queue at the end. Further down there are some vehicles like rickshaws and taxis and other vehicles where this is going to be loaded and transported to their homes.